All right, Detail World. Made it to this last appointment. Well, this is a new episode. Sorry about last appointment. Right now, we made it to this. This is the last job of the last video you probably watched. But right now, we're about to go ahead and clean this patio. Little small patio right here. Plus the enclosed, this enclosed area right here. So right now, gotta move all this furniture out of here first. Y'all already know how that go, man. So I'm about to go ahead and set this camera up and go ahead and start moving this furniture and go from there. All right, y'all. Well, we got this part done. If you look at it, definitely different. Yeah, it was definitely great looking. Now it's back red brick looking. We already moved the furniture back. So right now we're about to go ahead and finish moving all the furniture back, suck up the rest of the water that puddled up in areas, and then we're about to go ahead and focus back here. If you look back here, how dirty this is, that's how clean it's going to get, but you see the rest of it, how dirty it is. So we're about to go ahead and finish moving some of this stuff around back here and get it cracking, man. But y'all already know, tend to be great. We're going to be great together. I'm going to catch up with y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, y'all, YouTube detail world. Man, finally got this job done. Like I said, we had to clean this patio. We got the patio looking amazing. Let me show y'all what it looked like. We made sure that we got all the debris. You know, there's a little debris here and there still in here, but you know, we got the car looking, I said car, we got the inside of here looking good. We made sure we vacuumed in here real good. I said vacuum, Jesus Christ. Make sure that we sprayed all the debris and stuff out, you know. And then after we done this patio, we had to clean this outside patio right here. Clean this outside patio. We got this outside patio done. And then we cleaned this walkway for her. Got the whole walkway done right here. And then a few stairs, I think it's like 4 stairs right here that we got done. So we got the whole job done. Got it looking good. She should be super enthused about all of it. It took me about 3 hours to get all the work done. Finna go ahead and put up the rest of the equipment, head home, and enjoy the rest of the day, edit these videos. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. And remember, man, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, comment, share. Yeah, share this video, man. Help me get to 100 views, man. I know they ain't a lot, but let's do that. And I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Peace.
YouTube. Watch the TY 38.